Hi, I'm Troy, the R&D manager for Cartell. Today I would like to talk to you about the CWCON wireless driveway system. The primary purpose of this system is to provide driveway notifications when someone passes your sensor. Included in the box of the CWCON is the sounder, the sensor, auger screws, and batteries. For the sounder alone, you'll just get the sounder. If you order the entire system, it'll come prepared from the factory. If you order the sounder alone, you'll need to pair it to your sensor or hub. I would start by having your sensor available with the batteries in it, and then have an extension cord available because it's easier to manipulate the buttons when it's in your hands versus plugged into a wall. So we'll plug it in, the light will blink, and we'll wait for
Welcome to the Cartell family.
that.
Sounder mode. Volume 3. LED on. There are no sensors paired. Pairing enabled.
So as you just heard, it welcomed you to the Cartell family and said there was no sensors paired, and it automatically went into pairing mode. So all I need to do now is just press and release the red button on the sensor.
Enrollment. Driveway sensor. Sensor 1 is now paired. Pairing exit.
So that sensor's paired, it exited the whole menu, and then when we trigger the sensor,
You have a visitor in the driveway.
it'll let you know you have a visitor. So before we change the sound, one tip I have for you, if you have multiple sensors, is to write which sensor number it is on the back. So if you have your east driveway and it's sensor number 1, write that. Your west driveway is sensor number 2, write that, because you'll need to know which number it is when you go in to change the sound. To change the sounds, we're going to go into the menu by pressing the plus button and the minus button at the same time.
Main menu. Minus button changes option. Plus button selects option.
It'll go to the mode menu first. We're going to hit
Mode
minus.
menu. Pairing menu.
Then pairing menu, we're going to hit minus.
Sound menu.
Now we're at the sound menu, so we're going to hit plus to select
Sound
it.
menu selected. Select sensor. Driveway sensor. Sensor 1.
So this is sensor 1, which we just paired a little bit ago. If we had a sensor 2, we'd press minus to go down to that. We're going to plus 1 to select this sensor.
Driveway sensor. Sensor 1. Selected. Choose sound type.
Up next, I'm going to cycle down through all the options.
Christmas. Classical. Country. Jazz. Patriotic. Retro. Rock. Tone.
I'm going to select tone with the plus button.
Selected.
We're going to press both buttons to exit the menu,
Exit menu selected.
and then we're good to go. I'll walk you through how to pair your sounder to your hub in case you have a CT6 probe. We're going to click on your hub, go into hub settings, move the slider to enable onboard sensor, clear that notification, go back to your hub, click on sensors, then you'll have the CT6 probe enabled in here. So we're going to click that, and on the sounder, we're going to go into the main menu.
Main menu. Minus button changes option. Plus button selects option. Mode menu.
With the plus and minus buttons at the same time.
Pairing menu.
Minus button down the pairing menu, plus to
Pairing menu selected.
select
Pair
it.
Sensor now.
And then we're going to press
Enrollment. Driveway sensor. Sensor 2 is now paired. Pairing exit. Return to main menu. Pairing menu.
then we can exit the menu with plus and minus.
Exit menu selected.
And now the sounder will respond to your CT6 probe. The other function available with the sounder is to use it as a repeater instead. To do this, we're going to go into the menu by pressing and releasing plus and minus.
Main menu. Minus button changes option. Plus button selects option. Mode menu.
First option is mode menu. We're going to select that.
Mode menu selected. Sounder mode.
So it's in sounder mode. We're going to press minus to go to the next
Repeater
option,
mode.
which is repeater mode. And then we're going to
Repeater mode selected. Returning to mode menu. repeater mode.
So we pressed plus to select that. It confirmed it. We're going to hit plus and minus to exit.
Exit menu selected.
So now it's in repeater mode. In this mode, it will not sound. It's only going to be a repeater. So you could put this upstairs, in an attic, in a bedroom, to catch a signal from a faraway sensor, and then it will repeat it down to the rest of the sounders in your house. Thank you for watching. For more information or to make a purchase, visit cartell.com, cartell.com.